Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2024 Fiat Scudo. This is the long wheelbase medium van. This one comes with 6 doors as well, unlike others. And this does also come with 4,500 miles upon the clock, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, cruise control, hands-free cooling, radio, Bluetooth connectivity, a 6-speed manual transmission, cloth lined seats as well, 3 of which air conditioning can be controlled just down here, along with heated wing mirrors, as well as a reversing camera and a 360-degree reversing camera, which comes in very handy when getting into those tight spaces. Now, if I do just show you the load area in the back, you can see that it is indeed ply lined with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry. And if I do just show you from the back 2 doors as well, you can see that we have an unscratched and undented bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did, of course, only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. Give us a call, or why not visit our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, so you can discover more about this van and other similar ones as well.